Alright guys, let's do a quick thrift haul. So these are mixed items. We have dress, tops, we have sleepwear, and we have some skirts. So let's go. So this is the first item guys. And this is thrifted. So I love the color for this sleeveless top. And as you can see guys, this is a vintage one. I don't know if this vintage is Zena, and I love the tag because it has a butterfly in the size small. Medyo malaki siya, pero gusto ko siyang, kaya ko siya binili kasi gusto ko yung color, and I also love the lace details in here. Tapos, maluwag siya. So, pwede siyang pang tulog, pwede din siyang pang top, ganun. So, this is in pastel yellow, I think. Okay, so second one. So, I told you this is a quick try on thrift haul, guys. So, second one is a Brandy Melville top. And I love this one kasi it's a blue tie-dye top na pwede siyang pang araw-araw. And pwede siyang pang gala, ganun. So, this in the size is small and stretchable. So, yeah. I love Brandy Melville um, brand, guys. So, if ever meron akong makita sa thrift store, binibili ko talaga siya. Kasi I have also a top na Brandy Melville ang brand. So, I love this one. Next one is my favorite, like a corset top. And this is from Ariane. Actually, this is a lingerie, guys. But you can style it like a top. And I also love the details because meron siyang ganyan. Like pa-vintage siya, guys. This is in the size small, I think, or it can fit up to medium size. Yeah, I really love this one, guys. Kasi nga, look at the style. Ayan. And the corset, hindi siya yung merong parang bakal dyan. Normal lang siya na parang pa-corset. Yeah. In the shade, I don't know anong color to, like burgundy. Yeah. And also the details, it has a like embroidered rose in here. So yeah. Next one, I also have a one-piece bathing suit. This is from Shade and Shore. Yeah. What I love about this bathing suit one piece is the flower details. And it's padded, guys. And I also love na meron siyang ganyan sa gitna. Like, you can style this one and wear it and wear a pants. So, magagawa mo siyang top. Or pwede siyang pang top, ganun. And it's backless. Scoop back. And I also love this one kasi I love how it looks or how it fits on my body kasi body hugging siya, guys. So, I love this one. So, maybe I can try this one. I can make another video for try on haul for this thrift haul. Okay? So, next one, we have, again, I really love ganitong mga sleeveless na meron siyang parang ribbon at the center, tapos may mga ganyan siya lace, and the style is like vintage, ganun. So, this one is from Faded Glory in stretch in XL size. So, I don't know. Pero gusto ko siyang pangtulog lang, ganyan. Kasi, mahilig talaga ako sa mga loose sleepwear, even if malaki siya. Yeah. And pwede ko naman siyang i-ano, di ba? I-recreate as small. gusto ko lang dito is yung style niya. O vintage, ganun. So, next one. So, let's go to dresses. So, this one, guys, if you're my viewers, this one, nasuot ko na siya. And I really love this one kasi. It's a gingham dress. This is so cute. And also, this is from Zara in the size small. And it's mac at the back. Then stretchable. Because it has zipper at the side. And yeah, I really love this one. This is so cute. What do you think? This is so cute. So, this is my fave, yun yung favorito kong dress as of now. And we have this bathing suit in the shade of blue. And alam niyo yun, beach vibe, flower in here. But this is not padded, guys. Pero hindi siya makahalata kasi nga ganyan siya. So, scoop back. And this is very sexy. So, I can style it with pants or skirt and anything pwede siyang style. So, yeah. This is so cute. So, next one we have, let's have another top. And this is like, you know, I love vintage style tops, skirt, anything vintage. Like floral, cottage core, fairy core, mga ganyan. So, I kind of like my style has changed or nag-change na yung style ko into vintage. Yeah. So, this is the cute top. I don't know if it's branded, but this is from L&B Beautiful in the size medium. And what I love about this one is the details in here. You know, if nakakita ka ng ganitong top, sasabihin nila it's a granny top. Pero pag hilig mo ng mga vintage, ganun, ma-appreciate mo talaga yung damit. So, kahit sabihin nilang pang granny yung damit mo. And the thing is, it has buttons and, yeah, like a square neck top. So, I love this one. So, next one, guys. This is my favorite as of now. Skirt na meron siyang crochet details in here. Look at that. In the shade pinky. So, it's light pink, then dark pink. So, hindi ko pa siya nasusuot. Pero, soon, isusuot ko siya. Pero, as of now, this is my favorite long skirt, guys. Look at that. So cute. So, next one, we have dresses. So, you know, I love dresses that has ribbon at the center. Ayan. This is sleepwear, guys. Pero pwede din siyang i-style like sleeveless, then skirt or pants, and pero manipis nga lang siya. So, this is see-through. Kaya, pang sleepwear lang siya for me. Look at the details. I love the details. It has lace, ribbon, and the designs, flowers, ganun. Oh, I have a visitor. So, next one, another dress from 68. And this is also sleepwear na has lace and ganyan siya sa likod. Also cute. So, I have the last one here. And this is one of my favorite color or dress for vintage style. This is from Wednesday's Girl in the size extra small. What are you doing, Tom? So, This is the dress, guys. And para siyang polka dots, pero flower-flower lang yung mga details niya. And meron siyang ganyan, doble siya. So, pwede siyang panglabas. And style it with top, white top. So, this is cute. So, I think that's all I have right now. Yeah. So, see you guys next time on my thrift haul. That's all for today's video. And I'll be making another try on haul for this one kasi marami pa akong i-share sa inyo na haul in my coming videos. So, I hope you like this video, guys. Eh? I hope you like this video, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye!